This is a video that wasn't supposed to happen. It was supposed to be about the Festival of the Arts and a really cool concert that we saw there. And it was a really cool concert with Kissy Simmons and Alton Fitzgerald White. Kissy Simmons had played Nala in the Las Vegas version of The Lion King, and Alton Fitzgerald White had played Mufasa over 4,000 times on Broadway. We were going to be there 7 rows back, and it got me thinking about how we normally see concerts at the American Gardens Theater, because wheelchair seating is normally all the way in the back row. But first, a little introduction. This is the American Gardens Theater. But it didn't always look this way. This is what it looked like when Epcot opened. My first experience with the American Gardens Theater that I remember was in 2007 with Sounds Like Summer. I wasn't in a wheelchair, so we were right down in front for Bjorn Again, an ABBA tribute group. Then during Garden Rocks, there was Three Dog Night. Yeah, our family's been there for pretty much everything from Sugar Ray to Hanson. But I've noticed since being in a wheelchair, whether it's Dennis DeYoung or Billy Ocean, the view's not quite the same as it used to be. It's just a fact that this is where handicap seating is in the American Gardens Theater. I mean, this is the best picture I could get of Trace Atkins when we went to the Candlelight Processional. And I learned with the Pointer Sisters, you just gotta listen to the concert and not worry about what's going on stage. Because if you really wanted to know what was going on, you could always zoom the camera in. Luckily, Dennis DeYoung is a keyboard player, so I could frame him between 2 trees. Now, Billy Ocean, he moves around a lot. You know, eventually you get tired of trying to frame your pictures between trees and light poles and people's heads, and you want to take pictures, well, from here. So we found a way to do that with the Festival of the Arts Concert Series Dining Package. We opted for a nice lunch at Rose and Crown, and our fixed price meal included appetizers, entrees, and dessert, after which they gave us the passes we'd been waiting for, and voila, we're sitting up front. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, we did hand Rose and Crown about $56 a head for food, plus more for drinks. Well, on the menu mine would have been $55 anyway. But we were sitting down front now. And now we could finally see what we were listening to all that time.
It's enough for this restless wanderer just to be with you. Can you feel the love?
So, will I ever watch Billy Ocean from back here again? Well, probably not. I kind of like it up front. And we eat at Disney frequently anyway, so why not plush your meal with better concert seating? Oh, yeah, and sorry if you missed it, but the Festival of the Arts was pretty cool too. Emmy's on the alert for your likes, comments, and subscribes.